392 with beauty beat, now gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Beauty beat, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty beat, now gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.
Good morning. We are in Raleigh, North Carolina. Shake the damn block. Zeus is parked all the way down there, but I drove down here yesterday and been fucking the city up since. First of all, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Beauty392B. You can find me on all social media platforms. It is early in the morning. We're about to go get some tires, breakfast, and fuck the city up. So let me go ahead and change this, show y'all the Airbnb, and we back outside. So this is my first time like renting with Airbnb, and I just thought this was so freaking cute. Oh my god, the fucking decor is so cute. I really picked it because of the backyard, the patio. It's so pretty to see at night. I'll make sure I get a video for y'all at night as well. But the Airbnb is fucking gorgeous. And it's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 baths. It's gorgeous. My God.
What?
Is that the TV guy? It is. And look at his lucky pillow, y'all.
Yo, don't be getting my pillow, bro.
Nah, I had to put that in here. Good morning. Well, get up out of here then.
Yeah.
I can't. I seen. So this is the outfit for today from Fashion Nova. This is the back. Real cute, real pretty. Just something simple, something cute, you know, to wear for the day. It's like 70 degrees outside, so it's perfect. Your girl been working out, okay? So fucking bad because this is such a quiet neighborhood. This is a quiet ass residential ass neighborhood in Raleigh. Am I saying it right? In Raleigh, North Carolina? I'm weak. That's my lip gloss. I can't never leave without lip gloss. Look, some people coming outside their house now looking like, what the fuck is this noise? Evidently I don't. Okay, we out. It's 4 minutes away? Yeah. Clyde gotta do his lights. He got to, and if he do it with that blue color, it'll be fire. What you doing, Zeus? Do y'all see the legendary fucking gloves? The fucking gloves. Yeah, gotta get a wash. We over here at some Chinese spot. Who the fuck come to North Carolina to eat Chinese food? Get this shit anywhere. I wanted some country food. Damn, it's a big ass tire. I feel like you're not a real slider if you don't have a cone in the back of your fucking trunk.
What the fuck? Yo, you're not a real slider if you don't got an extra tire in your trunk. Fuck out of here. What you rather have to have? An extra cone slide or an extra tire? Extra cone or extra tire? If a real slider.
A real slider, a cone to practice.
Tire.
Oh, nah.
Tire.
I'm gonna find a pole like that slide around.
That shit cool.
Yeah, this shit about to slide right now.
Fix his fucking hair. For what? For what?
My earcut about to go down for these wings. About to go down.
Bro, we were supposed to be eating. We supposed to be eating certified country food. We out here eating Chinese food.
You're not gonna get 40 here, look.
I'm trying to sneak all of these in my purse so they can't get none. Now back to Zeus, bro. Zeus about to just eat chicken and white rice with no sauce.
Are you dumb? I'm shaking up my sauce right now. Making
Look, this is what we not gonna do. We not gonna talk about the bee catch can. It's cute. It's cute.
You put this on you.
My neighbor, yeah. You gotta redo it because that shit coming off.
I like that.
I haven't cleaned underneath here since I fucking got it.
Good God. That should be dirty.
Yeah, I don't be caring.
They get on her catch can.
Shut up.
They get on her catch.
Why you poke that, Zeus?
In the can.
It is a
know.
can. It's tiny. Whatever. Close my shit. Close my shit. Oh man.
So all these cars ahead of us? Yeah, we're gonna be here for like an hour.
Gotta put some tires on the bee so we can go ahead and spin. She is super, super dirty from spinning yesterday. Like super dirty. Zeus, you took that stuff off your car? The goopy gone. He put goopy gone on the back of his car. He's trying to take the he's trying to take the rest of that off. I gave him some goopy gone to strip it off easily.
He's driving a truck.
You got it? I like the truck. It's this big lifted shit. How do you get in and out of there? Nah.
Look, you want to see something?
Yeah.
Can't wake him up though. Can't wake him up.
What is it? Puppy.
Bentley. Hey, Bubba.
Puppy.
That's a regular catch can.
He got this big ass shit taking up space. It don't make no sense.
Regular.
Watch this Coke size can. Fucking shit, look. That's the size of a fucking Coke.
That's a regular size.
I gotta get one of those. The covering, no, this. Yeah, his shit is on now. Yeah. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. I need y'all to comment below and tell Zeus to kiss my ass, please. Yeah, they will comment that. Nah, bro. That's a Camry. That's a Camry sounding like that. That's crazy. Come on now, y'all know I had to get some liquor. I see motherfuckers real comfortable leaving their cars on and going into the store. You can't do that down south, Clyde. Yay, talking about down south. I don't think North Carolina is considered down south. We had to do it. So they didn't have 275, 40, 20, so I gotta go with 315. Yo, I'm so scared because I never had 315s on my car, so I guess we're gonna test it out. She is so dirty from sliding. Oh my God. So we just took these off the car, but we're gonna save them. Your girl got 315s on this bitch. Oh my God. Don't worry, we about to go to the car wash too. My shit dirty. Don't even talk about this one. This shit dirty. You gonna touch my purse with these dirty hands.
Come on, bro.
I'm putting all this in there.
I'm not opening it. I don't want to touch my dirty
Oh,
hands.
but you touched my purse. Got it.
First beer dirty already.
Got
It's been
it.
in the air. You gonna get this on YouTube? My nasty, hard-working hands. I gotta work in North Carolina. Look at this shit.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Look like you've been there all your life. Nah. Oh my God. This is crazy. I'm not excited about this. Yeah, we all need a wash. For real. Bro, these niggas don't care about nothing. About nothing. Uh-oh, look who we got here. Period. Instagram and YouTube. Let's go check it out. Last night in Raleigh, North Carolina, and they bought the cars out, no lie. Of course, I had to park next to a mango. I'm coming. I gotta finish talking to you. And 10. Ooh. This is what I have been waiting to see. Nah, it looks so different in person. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm loving it. I like when girls put on. I love it. I love it. YouTube and Instagram. Shout it out, Ryan. Shout it out.
Hey, yo, man. Ryan_Scat. Y'all know what it is. Follow me on IG. Follow me on YouTube. I'm up there. My name gonna change soon, so y'all better get it now.
Oh, Lord.
We about to get active tonight. Show them
Lord.
how many cars we got out here. We at least 90 deep.
Way too many. Way too many.
And these ain't no V6s. These ain't no Infinities. These ain't no. This Mopar out here.
Oh my
Muscle.
God.
American muscle.
Way too many.
You slide tonight. But guess what? You gonna drive home on your own because you gonna kill that shit.
Period.
Yeah, you gonna get some tires. Not tonight, they closed. But tomorrow morning, light it on another day. You gonna ride home.
On them tires?
Let's go look at it.
Oh my. Go ahead, Zeus.
Hey, where's Monty at?
Over there. And this is Ant.
What up?
Nice wide body thing. I believe this is one of the new blue colors that came out too. One of the new blue colors. He's in Shake the Block, North Carolina as well. Real nice. Bro, this lot is fucking full. On the way to the first spot. About to go kill these fucking tires. Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Fuck that shit up!
You about to tandem?
Let's go. Ross said let's go. Let's get it. Start it up.
chance all the way till 3 in the morning, and I think right now it is 10:51. So I gotta get back on the road to go back to New Orleans tomorrow. So, oh my God, North Carolina was a fucking turn up. Okay, I will definitely come back. I will definitely come back. Just now when it rained, this shit sucks. Cause when I drove here, it been raining since I got into Atlanta. So I had to go through Atlanta, freaking South Carolina, and North Carolina. It was like 4 hours of rain I drove through nonstop just to get here. Just for it to rain when I get here. It is what it is. If we go ahead and finish sliding at some more spots. Hold on, y'all, this is Zeus. Hello? If we go ahead and slide at some more spots, I'll pick up the camera again, you guys. But until then, out of here.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up.